Most concrete jobs are high rises. All the concrete gets covered up with something, with column wraps or drywall sealing. But the architect wants to see natural concrete. Close enough wasn't good enough in this case. We wanted everything to blend in when he was done. That's what the architect wanted, and that's what we tried to make sure we give him. I enjoyed working with Facchina because we do a lot of the out of ordinary building structures. We like the difficult buildings, we like the different buildings like this one. We like architectural concrete because we're good at it. We started in January, it was a slow start, but in 6 months we had it pretty much topped out. It was a challenge. The first time I looked at the drawings, I thought my boss was mad at me or something. I said, you gotta be kidding me. Concrete was 85–90% of the whole building. Everything radial away from them, from that black box. You can actually see how everything kind of twists and builds around that one square is what it does. That creates the courtyard, and then we started the building around the semicircles or whatever however you want to call it. Something was different on every floor, so that made it a lot more challenging because it wasn't as repetitious. This industry nowadays, OSHA's a minimum standard. We're like one notch above OSHA. If OSHA's good enough here, we want to be one step above them. Scaffolds require braces, so you had handrails that we used screw knobs on it and plywood so it didn't scar the finish of the concrete. The general contractor in this case paid us to leave that stuff behind us. When we leave a floor, everybody comes behind us is 100% ready to go. Anybody you'd ever talk to in your life, and it don't matter whether you go to us and even guys in our group, a lot of people don't like architectural concrete because it's difficult. It's hard to achieve the finishes, it's hard to achieve the tolerances. Concrete has a minimum standard. It's ACI sets it. We want to be one step above minimum standard. We feel like our customer, this is what they paid us to do, and they want to walk out and be proud of that piece of concrete. We want them to be proud of that piece of concrete. We could go up against any contractor anywhere in the world and say, this is what we do. We provide a finished product with our concrete.